I like ice cream. Hate. He hates waiting. Hope. I hope to see you soon. Need. I need some water. Want. She wants a new bag. Wish. I wish you look good. Call. He called me yesterday. Ask. Please ask a question. Answer. She answered correctly. Tell. Tell me a story. Say. He said hello. Promise. I promise to help you. Invite. They invited us to dinner. Send. Please send me an email. Show. Can you show me the way? Follow. Follow the rules. Lead. He led the team to victory. Win. She won the race. Loss. He lost his wallet. Start. Let's start the game. Finish. We finished our homework. Wait. Please wait here. Stay. She stayed at home. Go. We go to school daily. Come. Come inside. Return. Please return the book. Break. Don't break the toy. Climb. They climbed the mountain. Jump. The cat jumped on the bed. Catch. Catch the ball. Throw. He threw the stone. Kick. She kicked the ball. Hit. He hit the drum. Pull. Pull the rope hard. Push. Push the door open. Lift. He lifted the box. Carry. She carried her bag. Drop. Don't drop the glass. Cut. He cut the paper. Draw. Draw a circle. Plant. We planted a tree. Grow. Flowers grow in the garden. Choose. Choose the right answer. Change. She changed her dress. Improve. I want to improve my English. Practice. Practice makes you perfect. Now you have 100 action verbs plus easy sentences to learn and practice daily. Answer small speaking questions. Day 1 to 10 verbs practice. Verbs plus sentences. Run, she runs fast in the park. Jump, the boy jumped over the wall. Walk, we walk to school every day. Talk, they talked for a long time. Listen, please listen to your teacher. Eat, I ate an apple in the morning. Drink, he drinks a glass of milk daily. Sit, sit on the chair please. Stand, students stood up. Read, she reads a book every week. Now I am going to give you a 10-day English speaking plan using the 100 action verbs. Each day you will learn 10 verbs with examples plus practice questions. Day 1 verbs practice. Run, jump, walk, talk, listen, eat, drink, sit, stand, read. Example. She runs fast in the park. Practice. Question. Do you run in the morning? Do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast? Day 2. Verbs practice. Write, open, close, give, take, buy, sell, teach, learn, study. For example, I write in my diary every night. Practice questions. Can you write your name? What do you buy from the market? Day 3. Verbs practice. Play, work, help, clean, wash, build, break, fix, drive, ride. For example, the children play football in the ground. Question practice. Do you play games? Who helps you at home? Day 4. Verbs practice. Fly, swim, sing, dance, smile, laugh, cry, shout, whisper, think. For example, she sings beautifully on stage. Question practice. Can you swim? Do you smile every day? Day 5. Verbs practice. Know, remember, forget, understand, believe, love, like, hate, hope, need. For example, I need a glass of water. Question practice. Do you love your school? What do you hope for? Day 6. Verbs practice. Want, wish, call, ask, answer, tell, say, promise, invite, send. For example, he called me yesterday. Practice questions. Who do you call daily? Can you answer my question? Day 7. Verbs practice. Show, follow, lead, win, lose, start, finish, wait, stay, go. For example, you can say, we started our lesson at 9 o'clock. You can use some questions while choosing these action verbs. Do you like to win games? Where do you go on Sundays? Day 7. Verbs practice. Come, return, break, climb, catch, throw, kick, hit, pull, push. For example, you can try this example. He kicked the football hard. Practice questions. Can you climb a tree? Do you throw a ball well? Day 9. Verbs practice. Lift, cry, drop, cut, draw, paint, plant, grow, choose, change. For example, she planted a tree in the garden. Question practice. Can you carry your school bag? What do you want to change? Day 10. Verbs practice. Improve. Practice, watch, look, see, hear, cook, sleep, walk, travel. For example, I practice English every day. Practice questions. Do you watch TV daily? When do you wake up? How to use this plan? How you can use this plan in everyday life? Speak the example sentence out loud. Answer 10 questions in your own words. After 10 days, you will have practiced 100 action verbs with sentences plus 100 questions. I have worked so hard to make this video. If you are new here, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you may not miss any of my video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.